Hey, it's the 13th of February. I'm a sick bug. I am so fucking done. It's unreal. Like, I know there's people worse off in the whole world. I'm very aware of that. But right now, it just feels fucking shit. We have literally had the worst run of luck for the best part of 3 months. And I'm so fed up. So fed up. I've just tried to do a colour remover on my hair and it's worked a bit. But that's why I'm so pink, because I've literally been in the shower for like an hour and a half trying to get it out with all the different things. And I've just moisturised because my skin felt really dry. So it's took out most of the lilac. It's more of a grey kind of now. It didn't do anything to this side, I don't think. We'll see what it does when it dries. Yeah. So that is why there have been no videos or anything, just because sick bug. She started puking Friday night. It's now Sunday night. Yeah. I just feel like it's a matter of time, just a waiting game now for the other two to come down with it, or me or Ben. Yeah, I'm gonna put some stuff on my Depop, some bits that I've got from boxes that I've paid for that I'm not going to use. I'm putting them on my Depop. I'll link that.
Sausages within 15 minutes.
Ben's there cooking sausages for dinner.
You want alerting?
Like, in 10 minutes?
In 10 minutes time.
Yeah.
And then chuck the alpha bites in at the same time.
You can chuck them in the air fryer. At the little house. So yeah, Mika's in her room. Fox is downstairs shouting about going camping. Ben is downstairs cooking. He's just come up to ask me something. But yeah, I'm going to put some more bits on my Etsy as well. I've got some new little creepy dolls that are going on my Etsy. I've got a vintage Bratz doll that's going on. And then I've got some really cute Q-Pie salt and pepper shakers. There's the salt. And then the pepper is here. So yeah, that's a little set that's going on. My Etsy is linked down below if you want to have a look. Yeah, I'm gonna go, and hopefully we'll be able to resume normal activities very soon. Who that boy? Who that boy? Hey, Binksy. Uh-oh. Who's that boy?
Shut.
Who's that boy?
Yeah.
There he is. Yeah. Where's Foxy? There he is. Ooh. That's not Mummy's slippers, that's Mummy's shoes. Mummy's shoes.
Mummy's shoes down.
You wearing them? No, you fall down. Oh dear. Good morning. Who's that? Oh, it's Gary. Binksy's here as well. It's the 19th of February. It is like 8 o'clock in the morning, I think. We have no power. We've had no power since like 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. So we've got a camping stove making cups of tea, which is nice. We literally just made a cup of tea, me and Ben, and it was yummy. Had like 2 sips out of it, and then Bandit knocked both of them over, all over me on the table. What are you doing? Just being weird? Standard. Here's Gary. Hey, Gary. Gary's there. Binksy's here. Bandit is downstairs because he's been bollocked. No, he's not. He's just hiding. He's just playing downstairs. I did bollock him, but he's not been told off and exiled to the downstairs. He is allowed up. He's just deciding to be downstairs. So yeah, we've got the caravan. So we're gonna see if we can charge our phones in the caravan. I need to take the girls to gymnastics today. It's only Mika's second time because she had COVID for 2 weeks and then she got a sick bug. So she had a whole week. What's he done?
He's took out a puzzle.
Right.
Kind of broke a bit. I went, oh, fuck's sake.
Oh. He gets fuck's sake from Ben. I'd just like to point that out, not me. Foxy. What you done?
What's the matter?
That one.
What did you say to that piece of puzzle?
That one.
What did you say?
What about this bit here?
Is that broken?
No.
What do you say?
What did you just say when you opened it?
I think Daddy's lying. You didn't say anything naughty, did you? No. Yeah, Fox has trashed his room. You having fun though? Here he is, just so nobody thinks that we're being mean to him because he knocked over the tea. He's upstairs. Hello, Bandit. You my good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
I'm gonna brush my teeth then.
Ready for gymnastics?
This need my shoes.
I just told you to do it, and you said you were doing your laces.
I needed my socks.
All right, Bandit, you don't need socks, mate. Right, brush your teeth. Okay, brush your teeth. Bandit, you absolutely stink. Absolutely stink, that cat does. She's full farted.
Okay.
This, I think, is the first bit of vlog where we're not in the house because somebody is sick. Is anybody sick? Or poorly?
No.
Touch wood. Everybody touch their head. Me and the girls went to gymnastics this morning.
Yeah.
Super fun?
Yeah.
Super fun? Where did you go? Where did you take Yoki?
Best.
The vets. Is he okay?
Yeah.
Was he a good boy?
Yeah.
Did you hold his lead?
Yeah.
Well done.
No.
Where are we going now?
Second house.
Go see Seffi?
Yeah.
Gonna go playground?
Yeah.
Park?
No.
Who's gonna go on a slide?
Me.
Yeah. So we're now going to see my friend Rosie. And then, did we book something that was really exciting, girls?
Yeah.
Have we booked something really exciting that we've not told everybody? Where are we going on holiday? Canada!
Me.
You're coming as well. Yes, we've booked Canada. We go in April. Who is the most excited?
Me.
We're all very, very excited.
Me.
Me!
Daddy coming.
Here comes Daddy. Fox is very excited for Canada. So I will tell you more about that later on. But yeah, we're going into the city for the first time this year.
No.
Oh my goodness. It's nearly March. We've been stuck in the house for the whole of the year so far. Here comes Bender with his big old hair. Oh, and we've got a power cut. We've had no power since yesterday. We've got a camping stove to make cups of tea.
Whose cushies are these?
Mine.
On then.
This is quite amusing. Ben trying to get in the car. In he gets. Ari, why do you sit in the front? Why do you get to sit in the front? Because you get car sick. So she gets to sit in the front. It's still Saturday. It's the 19th of February. I spoke too soon. We just got home and Mika just got chicken pox. So yeah, I don't even know where I was. Honestly, 2022 so far can go and suck someone's fucking hairy asshole. It honestly can. Like, I've said before, I know there are people worse off than we are. I'm very, very aware of that, but it just feels relentless. Like, with Keith dying, and then Ben getting COVID, and then the funeral, and then Ari getting COVID, and then Mika getting COVID, and then Ari getting chickenpox, and then me getting COVID, Fox getting COVID, and then Mika's sickness bug, and then now Mika's got chicken pox as well. I just feel so sad for the kids. They're missing so much school, and it just feels relentless. Like, I am so fucking glad we booked this trip to Canada, and I feel like it's going to be a big change for us. It's what we need. We need to just get away and just try and enjoy life, because it's fucking short and it can be really hard. And yeah, I've just had enough. I really hope Mika just gets over the chicken pox really quickly and it doesn't make her feel poorly or anything. So yeah, just please keep your fingers crossed that she doesn't feel really rubbish with it, because she's had a week of feeling rubbish with this horrible bug she had. Like, we had to send away her poo because they were worried that she got salmonella, and yeah, she's had like a whole week of not being able to eat properly, and then she had a week at school before that, and then 2 weeks off before that because of COVID. And it's just, I just feel really sad for her, that, and Ari, because like she's missed loads as well, and poor Foxy, just because we're stuck in the house because we can't go anywhere. Ben has to work from home because obviously Mika's got chickenpox, so I'm not allowed to take her out to the school run, and it's just roll on April, roll on Canada. We're going to Vancouver for a couple of days, and then we're going to Vancouver Island. So if anyone has got any must-do things or must-see things, we're staying in Nanaimo, and then we're staying outside of Victoria. We're not staying in Victoria because staying in a city doesn't appeal to us in the slightest. So we're just staying out. But yeah, we're staying in like a lodge. We've got 3 different accommodations. We're staying in like a little house on a beach for the first couple of days, and then we're staying on a hobby farm in a big lodge, and then we're staying in someone's converted barn in their garden. I'm very excited. So yeah, we've done all the visas, we've got all the passports. But yeah, any tips or tricks or anything? We've hired a car. We've got a really big car waiting for us when we get there. Yeah. And if anyone knows of any suitcases for kids that are like carry-on suitcases that open from the top, like I don't want one that opens like and then you have to flip it open, because then everything falls out, and trunkies are rubbish. I want something that girls can have that undoes from the top, so they can have it in the cabin with their like tablet in their books and their headphones and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go and clear up the mess on my bed because I've just been unboxing, and tidy up my desk and just tidy up my whole life basically. That's my plan. Is this vlog number 4? Who knows? I don't know. Yeah. Love you, bye.